Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Employment News for BE Tech Mechanical Engineers 20th December 2022. In this video, you can watch job opportunities in government sector, private sector and opportunities in apprenticeship training. Every Monday and Friday, we will upload new employment opportunity for mechanical engineers, and this week in this video, we have included 3 government jobs, 6 private jobs and 2 apprenticeship training. Most of the opportunities are for freshers, so please watch the video till the end. In this, first, government jobs. In government job, first one is Junior Executive Air Traffic Control at Airport Authority of India. Airport Authority of India, a Government of India public sector enterprise constituted by an Act of Parliament, is entrusted with the responsibility of creating, upgrading, maintaining and managing civil aviation infrastructure both on the ground and air space in the country. AAI has been conferred with the Miniratna Category 1 status. Is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 356. Pay and allowances are 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances, approximately 12 lakhs per annum. Qualification required, full-time regular bachelor's degree in engineering in any discipline with minimum 60% of marks or equivalent. Age limit is maximum 27 years as on 21st January 2023. Application fees 1000 for general and no fee for SC/ST female candidates. Selection process. Initially, candidates shall be called for an online examination. Then candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of their performance in online examination, and they will be called for document verification or interview or physical measurement and endurance test or voice test as applicable for the post. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can see at the website as shown on screen. Interested candidates can apply online by using the link as shown on screen from 22nd December 2022 to 21st January 2023. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is ground duty technical and flying branch at Indian Air Force. Indian Air Force invites Indian citizen men and women to be a part of this elite force as Group A Gazette officer in flying and ground duty technical and non-technical branches through Air Force Common Admission Test FCAT 01 2023. Course commencing on January 2024. Final year students 2022 batch and 2023 batch are also eligible to apply. Mechanical engineering graduates can apply for both flying branch and ground duty technical, aeronautical, mechanical branches. Is a fresher type job, no experience required for this job. Number of vacancies are 180 in total approximately. Age limit is 20 to 26 years. Pay allowances 56,100 to 1,77,500 at level 10 plus MSP of 15,500 plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances. Application fee is 250. Final year students 2022 batch and 2023 batch are also eligible to apply, provided that candidates should not have any present backlogs and should have secured a minimum 60% of marks up to the last semester or year for which results have been declared up to the time of submission of application. Selection procedure. All eligible candidates will be called for an online AFCAT and engineering knowledge test. Candidates who have passed in the online AFCAT will be called at any one of the Air Force Selection Board, Dehradun or Mysuru or Gandhinagar or Varanasi or Guwahati for final stages of recruitment. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can be seen at the website as shown on screen. Aspirants of Indian Air Force are required to apply online by using the link as shown on screen on or before 30th December 2022. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. Next is some last date of jobs already informed in previous videos. Assistant Manager General Stream at the Small Industries Development Bank of India SIDBI's last date is 3rd January 2023. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for government jobs. Next is private jobs. In private job, first one is internship at GE Power, Chennai. GE Gas Power is a world leader in gas power technology, services and solution. GE Gas Power engineers cleaner, more accessible energy that people depends on, powering growth and prosperity for people everywhere. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2023 batch or 2022 batch students. Job ID are 3683375. Job description summary. Internship will work in the field of product design or requisition engineering of drives products mechanical under the mentorship of technical expert in the field. The individual will work on a function depending on their prior coursework and degree. Job description: proficiency in MS Office application, good knowledge in CAD tools, digital engineering and validation design, provide documentation support in the assigned projects, etc. Role is internship engineer. Categories GE Power Portfolio. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. If you are interested to apply for this post, you can visit our video's description. From there, you can find these links. By clicking these links, you will redirect to a direct website of the company. From there, you can apply directly. Next job is internship integration and testing at ASTERIA Aerospace Private Limited, Bengaluru. ASTERIA Aerospace is a robotics and artificial intelligence company that develops drone-based solution to provide actionable intelligence from aerial data. Our capabilities and intellectual property across the entire drone technology stack of hardware, software, and analytical enable us to build deeply customized aerial remote sensing tools. Experience required for the post is fresher or 2023 batch or 2022 batch students. Job ID is 32679. Job description summary: as an integration and testing engineer, you will be a part of a team involved in the field testing and validation of ASTERIA's unmanned aerial system products. Your role and responsibility will be integration, testing, and validation of R&D or new UAV product development. Specific responsibilities: integration, testing, and product validation for new UAV product development. Execute and manage flight test operation with an emphasis on safety and quality control. Document test results and test issues, etc. Role is internship engineer. Categories aerospace industries. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown in screen. Next job is trainee mechanical engineer at THYSSENKRUPP Industries India Private Limited, Pune. Company profile: THYSSENKRUPP Industries India Private Limited is in the last 5 decades has grown to become one of the most trusted names in the field of sugar plants and machinery, open cast mining, bulk material handling systems, cement plants and machinery, and industrial boilers and power plants, etc. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Salary of year are not disclosed by the employer. Roles and responsibilities: knowledge and understanding of production process, understanding of safety practices and adhering to the same, flexibility to work in shift, demonstrates learning ability, etc. Role is engineering trainee. Industry type is engineering and construction. Functional area is production manufacturing. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is graduate engineering trainee at CYIENT, Hyderabad. CYIENT is an Indian multinational technology company that focused on engineering, manufacturing, data analytics, and network and operations. We leverage the experience of 15,000 associates in 14 countries, combine global delivery with a local relationship, invest in the power of ideas, and exploit digital innovation. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Job ID is JR039804. Roles and responsibilities: understand direct supervision, assist in determining the quality and order date for material needed to meet the master production schedule. This is an entry-level material position. Role: graduate engineering trainee. Functional area is R&D. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is graduate engineering trainee at DEE TEE Industries Limited, INDORE. DEE TEE Industries Private Limited has fast grown into the biggest and leading manufacturer and exporter of internationally quality industrial tools from India. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year of experience. Salary of FDR 1,75,000 to 2 lakh per annum. Roles and responsibilities: looking for a fresher candidate trainee, must be graduated in BA or BTech Mechanical 2021 or 2022 preferred. Candidates with the range of 0 to 1 year of experience can apply for the position. Role is graduate engineering trainee. Industry type is industrial equipment or machinery. How to apply? Industry candidates can see the notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. Next job is User Success Engineer at DASSAULT Systemes, Pune. DASSAULT Systems is a French MNC software corporation. A DASSAULT group is headquartered in France and has around 20,000 employees in 140 different countries. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 3 years of experience. Job ID is 530931. Role: assist customer or partners to troubleshoot and resolve issues involving DASSAULT Systems suite of PLM products. Work closely with the customers and partners as situation demand to resolve issue and ensure smooth development or production run. Create knowledge capitalization content on key technical topics, etc. Role is User Success Engineer. Functional areas: IT software. How to apply. Industry candidates can see the notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for private jobs. Next is apprenticeship training. In apprenticeship training, first one is graduate apprentice at Bharat Electronics Limited, Chennai. BEL is a Navratna company and India's premier professional electronics under the Ministry of Defense invites for graduate apprentice on its Chennai units. The candidates must have passed their B or BTech course during 2020, 2021 and 2022. Candidates must be from a southern region, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Kerala and Pondicherry only. Number of posts 24 for mechanical engineers. Stipend offered are 11,110. Age limit is 25 years. Shortlisting of candidates will be done based on the percentage of marks obtained in the basic prescribed qualification as applicable to the respective discipline. Selection will be based on the walk-in interview conducted by BEL Chennai. How to apply? Detailed advertisement can see on the website as shown on screen. Interested eligible candidates must register themselves in the NATS portal of MHRD by using the link as shown on screen. Interested candidates should do a walk-in interview on the address saying in the advertisement on 24th December 2022. Next is some last date of apprenticeship training already informed in previous videos. Graduate apprentice at Ordnance Factory Bhusawal's last date is 2nd January 2023. I will provide last video's link in my description. That's all for the details of this job opportunity video. For the next employment news video, please subscribe our channel MECH Engineering World. Thank you.